best way to ensure years of trouble-free performance from your Yamaha outboard is by performing recommended maintenance as outlined in your owner's manual. With today's clean-burning 4-stroke engines, spark plug issues are much less common than they used to be. But don't ignore your plugs. Yamaha recommends you change your spark plugs annually or after every 100 hours of operation. Changing plugs is easy and inexpensive. Under 80 bucks for my F300 V6 if I replace them myself. When changing plugs, it's a good idea to inspect each plug for signs of potential issues. If the plug appears to be wet from water, oil, or gasoline, or if it shows signs of rust or heavy carbon deposits, I recommend you contact your local Yamaha dealer for inspection. I have one last tip. When installing your new plugs, lightly coat the threads of each with oil to make them easier to remove at your next interval service. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.